Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Not a Roadrunner. So actually, this is kind of like a dark horse. It was a bit of a forgotten video. I edited it and then completely forgot to release it. So these are a bit out of order. This one really should have come out before the spinners video. But this video is all about how I got the, I suppose they're textured grey back wheels. And then got them sorted to go to black. It was actually a lot harder than I thought it'd be. I thought I'd be able to just take it wherever, but I ended up taking it to Eddy's Wheel Repairs in Harlow, and they really did sort me out, and it was a great price, a great service, and he really does want every wheel that leaves his shop to look perfect. So it's really exciting. They look really good, and I'm going to show you the process of what he went through, and I'll talk you through it, and I hope you enjoyed the episode. Let's get to it.
So here is what we're starting off with. It is the 20 inches that are in a textured grey colour, and we want to get them gloss black to match in with the fronts. This journey all stemmed from one recommendation from my swim coach. I went there, they were in Harlow, and they couldn't do it, so they sent me somewhere else, who sent me somewhere else, and we ended up at Eddy's Wheel Repairs. Really nice guy, really nice service, and they are going to look sweet. He was the only person that would actually take them on. So here's a few shots he sent me of the process. So the reason why these are such a pain was because you needed to powder coat them, then diamond cut them, and then polish that lip. The polishing was actually done externally to Eddy's Wheel Repairs, but he sorted everything, got them delivered there, got them delivered back, and then just let me know when I needed to collect. So once they came back from the polishing shop, Eddy gave me a call and I just drove over, and this is the first look at them back from the polishing shop. And here we go. This is now what they're going to look like when they're on the car. Now look at that, they actually look mad. But here's a little comparison to before and after.
And that is the wheels collected, and they look insane. So next stop, we got to fit them, and got a little bit of extra flair to go on them as well. So we're going to need to get that done, and then we can install them. Plus we're going to get the tyres fitted, but that's, you know, that's no biggie, apart from how much they cost. And definitely hit up Eddy's Wheel Repairs in Harlow if you need any wheel refurbishments, because they really do an amazing job.
Shortly after picking them up, I took them to go and get the tyres installed. So here's a few shots from when I got that done in Tyre Smart in Whittam. These guys really did look after me, because I ordered the tyres months ago and they've been holding them for me, which I'm so happy about because they're basically discontinued now. But you can see that the 305 tyres are looking fat on those rear wheels.
And that concludes today's episode, guys. So it was pretty quick. I mean, we literally, you know, it's a very short video. It was just a few clips that he sent me, but you can tell it was a big process. So we had the powder coating, then we had the diamond cutting, and then we had the polishing as well. And to be fair, he turned it around really fast for me. Really nice guy, and willing to take on a challenge, which, you know, is always good when you're a pain like me. So I hope you enjoyed the episode, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.